Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily reject an incoming call from the lock screen on absolutely any iPhone. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes under this video and be sure to write your comments. And let's get started friends. And let's say, if you have such a situation, that you have a person calling you and your iPhone is in this off mode. And the question may arise as to how you can disconnect such a call. As you can see, I have a call going on right now, but there's no red button here to disconnect. And the first thing you can do is, first of all, to mute the ringing sound itself. To do that, press the side mute button once. And to reset such a ringing, press again. So you'll just need to press the side power button on your iPhone twice in a row. This is a very simple way friends you can easily reject incoming calls from the lock screen on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful and useful to you friends. Please do not forget to put your likes, comments and be sure to subscribe to this channel. Take care friends.